Once you've found a video on Edpuzzle that you'd like to assign, you're going to be looking at the screen where you've already picked out your video, you've already added questions, and you're going to use the option over here to assign it. And it's got my class list that I already imported from Google Classroom. This is going to be for my 2 biology sections. The due date here is going to be tomorrow, and one thing that always trips me up is that when I'm looking at the dates here, I have to scroll down to be able to click save. If you don't and you just click out, it doesn't save your due date. I turn on the prevent skipping feature, which means that they do have to watch the whole video, they can't skip ahead. And you can turn on closed captions if you'd like. Sometimes the students like to be able to read the words if they're having to watch it in a study hall or something like that. And then you can have it create a post on Google Classroom. If you turn this on, it'll create a post for you with the link to the video. And then you'll hit assign. And now when the students log in using their school Google accounts to Edpuzzle, they'll see the video that's been assigned for them to watch.